Hello. Now the next topic that we are going to take up is hyperlinks. So whenever you use a website, you might have seen certain links on the website that you can click and go to another page. So let us see how to do that. So for that we use the tag called as anchor tag, which you can write as A. Okay, inside this you will write the text that you want to appear. New page. To add a link, we'll use the href attribute. Okay, and this will be to the new page, the link to the new page. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Say for example Meritstore. So the link of the website. And if I click on this, I will be sent to the Meritstore website. And here we go. Now if you notice, the difference between the first and second link is that the first link is to a website, while the second link is to a local HTML file. So let us create this file. I'll first create a copy of this. I'll rename it to this new page. I'll make some edits to this. Okay, instead of home, this will become new page. Let us add link to the home page here. And let us link this to home.html. Okay, save it. Now when I click to new page, it will take me to the document which we just edited. This is new page. If I click on home page, I'll go to the home page. So as simple as that. This is how hyperlinks work.